Hi guys, welcome back to Oldtimer Garage. So I'm back in France now for a few weeks, and so I'm gonna restart the 2CV, see if it starts again. It hasn't moved for about 4 months now, so I guess it shouldn't be too hard to restart it, but the gas is probably back into the fuel tank. So yeah, I just need to hook up the battery again, put some gas into the carburetor, and see if it starts. So I'll do that now. So the first thing you want to do to restart the 2CVs first to hook up the battery. So I just need to put the negative back on. I'm not gonna take the car anywhere because it's not insured right now, so I don't need to make it all tight or anything. It's gonna be enough to start it. After that, just check all the connections. The coil is connected. I don't think I've done anything else to the car before I stored it, so I'm just gonna check the oil here. As you can see, it's still good here. See? The oil is not even black because I changed it before we before we left the UK, and I've probably driven it about, I don't know, 1,500, 2,000 miles since, so there's still plenty to go. So to start the engine, I just need to pour some gas straight into the carburetor. So in order to do that, I'll take this pipe off. Here, carburetor is dry. Here is a can of fresh gas. Pour some in at the bottom, and let's see if it works. Put that back on top so that there's no dirt going into it. Here, let's try. Well, there you go. That works perfectly fine. There's a ticking noise, but that's just the alternator belt that touches somewhere, so I need to make it a bit tighter. And there is a small leak on the gas pipe here, and I just need to replace it. That's not going to be a big deal. So yeah, there you go. 2CV has restarted. Now I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with it because I might leave France for quite a long time soon, so I don't know, I might just sell it. This last summer when I was driving it, it was still on UK plate, and I'm only allowed to do that for about 3 months, I think. After that the insurance companies don't cover you, so basically everybody you see with a foreign plate in your country more than 3 months, they're not covered. Most of them, they don't know that. Some of them do and still do it, but yeah, I tried already when I was in the UK to bring my French car at the time, and the insurance company told me that was fine to do it, and after 3 months they called me back saying you need to either make the car legal in the UK or just bring it back to France because we're not covering you anymore, and no company are allowed to do it for more than 3 months. Would have been nice to know it when I took the car there, but at the end of the day I just took the car back in France and later on I just sold it. But for this one I'm gonna have to do the same thing, so either I find a way of importing it legally in France, which is doable. I just want to know how much it's gonna cost me and how long it's gonna take, and either someone wants the car and I sell it, or I just keep it and I'll do it when I have time, because I don't really need the car at the moment. I have all the cars I have access to, so that's just for fun and for making videos for you guys. Apart from that, at the moment I've got, as I said at the beginning, I've got a few weeks to spend in France, so I'm planning on organizing the workshop a little bit better. I want to do proper organization of my workbench here because it's quite messy, as you can see. If you remember, I put the electricity in the workshop before I left a few months ago, 4 months ago, and I want to remove all of these and make proper drawers and organize everything. I need to go through all this as well and probably sell a bunch of stuff and organize the rest of it. Here I've got all my Bodywork tools. As you can see, I've got a bunch of power tools here. I've got an old welder, I've got parts, 2CV parts everywhere, wheels, I've got axles, I've got suspension arms, I've got a brand new rear bumper for an old 2CV, exhausts, fans, grill, steering wheels, everything. And here I've got all the stuff for the B12. So from the axle, lots of front axle, the brakes, the engines here. I've got more tools underneath here, and a lot of, I've got primer, I've got paint, I've got grease, more tools here that I brought from the UK. I've got the rims for the B12, another 2CV engine, and I think I've got a third one here, 2CV gearbox over there, together with the B12 gearbox, and the two bodies, the old B12 and the restored one, that's just waiting for me to get to it basically, and a bunch of parts that are already restored for the B12 here. So yeah, I've got quite a lot of things to do and not much time to do it, but yeah, that's always the same thing anyway, so might as well just get on with it and just do whatever I can do. So yeah, that's the 2CV restarted, and stay tuned for the rest of the project. Talk to you soon. Bye.